SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that you all are very well. Students, today we are going to start chapter 9, that is senses of touch and smell. So students, in this chapter we are going to learn about the sense organs of our body and senses of touch and smell. Students, let's start with the topic sense organs. Dear students, do you know how many sense organs you have? We have 5 sense organs. First is eye. Eye helps us to see the colorful world around us. Ear. Ear helps us to hear something. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. And the last is skin. Skin helps us to touch and feel. So, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the different sense organs of our body. The eyes helps us to see, the ear helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell, the tongue helps us to taste, and our skin helps us to feel. All sense organs have special parts called nerves. और nerves के थ्रू ही हमारी पूरी बॉडी से क्या होते हैं, कनेक्टेड रहते हैं और यही मैसेज किसको भेजते हैं, नर्व्स मैसेज किसको भेजते हैं, ब्रेन को, और फिर हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो रिएक्ट करता है. These nerves pick up signals from the outside world and carry them back to the brain. The brain processes the signals and sends a message back to the sense organs. Now, senses of touch. Our skin helps us to feel and touch. There are many nerves under the skin. They helps us feel the sensation of heat called pressure and pain. We can also know whether an object is hard or soft, smooth or rough, and wet or dry just by touching it. तो जो हमारी nerves होती हैं, इन्हीं की वजह से हम sensations को feel कर पाते हैं. When we touch an object, the nerves under our skin get pressed, and immediately the pressed nerves send the message to our brain, and the brain tells us what type of object we have touched. Touching different objects make us behave differently. So, for example, when we touch something very hot, we quickly pull our hand out away from the hot object. आपने नोटिस किया होगा जब आप कोई किसी गर्म चीज़ को टच करते हो तो आपका हाथ अचानक से हट जाता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो हमारी नर्व्स हैं वो बहुत जल्दी मैसेजेस को सेंड करती हैं ब्रेन को, और ब्रेन तुरंत इस चीज़ को प्रोसेस कर देता है, जिससे हमारा हाथ हम खुद ही हटा लेते हैं. Certain areas of our body may be more sensitive than the others. We should be careful while touching certain things. We should not touch hot objects without bare hands. We should not touch pointed objects like needles, spines or thorns because it may harm us. We should be careful while touching or handling sharp objects like knives and blades. So, students, we should never touch electric appliances with wet hands. Now, good touch and bad touch. So, there are different types of touch. A certain type of touch tells us about our feelings. A hug, holding hands, and a kiss on the cheek are examples of this type of touch. Students, when our parents cares or hug us, we feel very good. But when a stranger or an unknown person touches us, we feel very uncomfortable and unsafe. Now, remember the following rules to keep yourself safe. First one is, if any stranger, a friend or a relative touches you, hits you or say something that makes you feel uncomfortable, unsafe, tell your parents immediately. If a stranger, a friend or a relative touches you somewhere where you do not want to be touched, tell your parents immediately. Your best friend or a cousin may hold your hand and play with you, but if his or her touch makes you uncomfortable, tell your parents immediately. Now we have sense of smell. We smell with our nose. Smell can be good or bad. Flowers, perfumes, incense sticks, tasty food smells good. The smell of rotting garbage, clogged drains and unclean toilets is foul. Our nose helps us to smell a variety of different things. The nerves in our nose have special endings that pick up the smell of the air we breathe. So, these nerves immediately send a signal to the brain. The brain reads the signal and tells us what kind of smell it is. It tells us if a thing smells good or bad. Now the topic is people with disability. डिसेबिलिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? जब किसी इंसान का कोई एक ऑर्गन या मल्टीपल ऑर्गन वर्क ना करे, उनका फंक्शनिंग बंद हो जाए, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? हम डिसेबिलिटी बोलते हैं. Some people can't see, hear, talk or walk. These are differently able people. If one of these sense is damaged, other sense becomes strong to make up for it. For example, someone who has lost his or her sight may develop a very strong good sense of hearing. जो लोग देख नहीं पाते उनकी सुनने की शक्ति बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, क्योंकि वो देख तो सकते नहीं है, लेकिन वो चीज़ों को फील बहुत जल्दी कर सकते हैं. बहुत हल्की सी आवाज़ को भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज सुन सकते हैं. So, visually impaired people means the people who are blind use their acute sense of touch to read and write. They use a special system known as the Braille script. It is a coding system where 6 raised dots are arranged in a particular sequence, and each sequence represents a letter of the alphabet. So, this was developed by Louis Braille in 1824. Differently able people are just like us. We must be sensitive to their needs and feelings. Students, many modern buildings are making ramps for wheelchair-bound people because wheelchair can't go up the stairs. Similarly, Doordarshan has special news programs for the hearing impaired. जो लोग सुन नहीं सकते उनके लिए दूरदर्शन चैनल क्या करता है? प्रोग्राम लेकर आता है जो सिर्फ इशारों से चीज़ों को समझाते हैं. न्यूज़ भी इशारों के थ्रू ही दी जाती हैं. Special computers are being made for the blind. Such facilities go a long way in making these people very independent and confident. So students, let's revise what we have learned. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the different sense organs of our body. All sense organs have special parts called the nerves. These nerves pick up signals from outside world and carry them back to the brain. Our skin helps us to feel and touch. Flowers, perfumes, incense sticks and tasty food smells very good. The smell of rotting garbage, clogged drains and unclean toilets is foul. Some people can't see, hear, talk or walk. These are differently abled people. Visually impaired people use their acute sense of touch to read and write. They use a very special system known as a Braille system. Students, now the exercise is given here, and this exercise is based on the chapter which we have learned right now. Students, now your class is ending here. See you in the next class with a new topic. Bye-bye.